Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through a full step-by-step process on how to lock Facebook with a PIN. By following these instructions, you can add an additional layer of security to your Facebook app. Let's dive into this comprehensive guide. Step 1. Open the Play Store on your device. Locate the Play Store app icon and tap on it to launch the store. Step 2. Once you're in the Play Store, use the search bar to search for an app called Applock. Tap on the app from the search results and then tap on the Install button to download and install it. Step 3. After the installation is complete, tap on the Open button to launch the Applock app. Step 4. Inside the Applock app, you'll notice a 123 icon in the top right corner. Tap on it to access the app's settings and PIN setup. Step 5. In the PIN setup screen, enter the desired PIN that you want to use to lock Facebook. Once you have entered the PIN, tap on the checkmark icon or the OK button to confirm. Step 6. Retype the PIN code to ensure accuracy and tap on the checkmark icon or the OK button to proceed. Step 7. Applock will require certain permissions to function properly. Allow the app to access the necessary permissions by following the on-screen prompts. Step 8. Now, go back to your device's home screen or app drawer and search for the Facebook app. Tap on the Facebook app to open it. Step 9. Once you're in the Facebook app, Applock will automatically lock it and require the PIN for access. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you enhance the security of your Facebook app. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and tricks.